Got the 2021 up Tahoe. I got the Z71 here, and we're going to be replacing the mirror. Some jackwagon decided they wanted to smack my mirror and it kind of busted, so we're going to go ahead and replace that. On the inside, there's this little panel right here. It's in right back here. You want to pull that out. So there's a bolt here, and what I can see, there's a bolt there and one over there. And another one that you can't really see. There are two right down under this cover. So just a little place right here, just a little pry tool. Be careful with your trim. And those two. Next, you want to get down closer to the front here, get you some leverage. There's a spot you can pretty much grab right there and just pull. There's clips in here, so be careful. Should look a little something like that. So just, like I said, just pull. Start from the bottom, just pull. Pull away from the sides, and then it picks up over this on the top. Get those edges. Then you want to come right in here. This little cover here, and right there is your 3 bolts that you get for your mirror. From the outside here, you're able to access the clip, and it just pulls out, and that's what locks it in place. And then you can just pull your wire harness out. Got the mirror off, so when you come up here to get that red clip off, then you also got to push down right there. There's also a button, so don't forget. Got the new part here. This right here is the mirror. This right here is the mirror cap. I guess right there's the part number if you need it. And part number right there for the mirror cap for the black paint, I guess. Just know when you do get that housing and the cover that you also need to order the glass mirror, which I did not know until I opened the box. I had to recall customer service, their parts or whatever, and they're like, well, that's a new one to us too, so just a heads up. Okay, time to put the door back on. So lesson learned. They said they would have my glass piece in tomorrow, so we now know what we're doing. I'm figuring all this out on my own because there's no YouTube support for this yet. So this is why I'm making this video, is for you guys. So even if I don't get mine fixed today, at least this will kind of show you where I'm at. And even though it's newer stuff, it's still not as hard as you would think. It's just a few bolts and a little bit of pry. So don't beat yourself up over it. I know it's a new vehicle and you're scared of probably hurting it or something, but trust me, it's cheaper to fix stuff yourself. Just take your time and don't really rush, because then you're gonna scratch your vehicle or something. Just take your time, and everything I showed you, like this is how you do it. So let's get back to putting the door panel back on. Remember, you got the lips, they sit down in here, and then everything else just snaps back in the spot. You got these just like you did when you took it off. You put it on and then go back in order. That should hang in there, make sure it's flush. There's a pin right here. And right. Snap, snap, snap. Finished product. Brand new. Nothing ever happened.